Introduction to Programming, C program, common to all branches, first btech students, date of exam January 2025, Jntuk r23 regulation, set number 4, part A, 2 marks questions. List out the primitive data types. What is a translator? Define a compiler. Define loop. Write different forms of a loop in C. What is the advantages of switch statement over if else statement? Write a C statement to initialize an identifier matrix of size 4. Write a C statement, question number F, differentiate between strict mp function and strict mp functions. What is the difference between a pointer and dangling pointer? Write a differences between an array and a structure. What is the difference between sequential file and a random file? What is the uses of recursive functions? Part B, 10 marks questions and how to write algorithm and find time complexity and space complexity of an algorithm. Give example. What is typecasting? How it is different from type conversion? Explain. List and explain steps involved in executive of a C program. What are the programming constructions used to write C program? Give few examples. Unit 2, 4A, develop a C program to display prime numbers between two intervals. Explain two control structures used in it. B, how does a switch statement works? Write its applications program in printing results of algorithm operations. 5 అండి, explain the difference between break, go to and continue statements with an example. Write the syntax of do will and write a C program to print all prime numbers between 1 to 100. Unit 3, 6A, develop a program to count sum of the even number in a given array. What is an array? How to store and index elements in an array? Give example. 7A, develop a program to copy one string content into another string without using predefined functions. Write a note on 2D array and its applications in finding the transpose of a matrix. 4th లో యూనిట్ 4 నుంచి 8th లో అండి, what is the need of nested structures? Explain one example. B, how are generic pointers different from pointer variable and also differentiate ptr double plus and double plus ptr. 9th, develop a programming using pointer to read in an array of integers and print its elements in reverse order. Define structure. Explain how to declare a structure accessing structure members with an example programming. Unit 5 నుంచి questions అండి. 10th లో what are the different ways of passing parameters to the function? Explain. B, write a C program to copy contents of one file into another file. 11th లో what do you mean by scope and lifetime of a variable? Explain with example sample program. B, explain how arrays are passed a function arguments. Write a C program to add two two-dimensional arrays using a concept of arrays యాజ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్. సెట్ 1, సెట్ 2, సెట్ 3, సెట్ 4 డిఫరెంట్ వీడియోస్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగిందండి. ఈ 4 సెట్స్లో ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే రిపీట్గా వస్తున్నాయో ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.